In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify WordPress users during registration using email verification. This is an essential step to ensure the security and authenticity of the user registrations on your site. It's something anyone running a WordPress site should consider doing to prevent spam and unauthorized access. First, let's head over to wordpress.com. If you're not already familiar, WordPress.com is a great platform for creating and managing your website with a plethora of tools at your disposal. Once you're on the website, you'll want to click on the Login option. This will prompt you to enter your credentials if you're not already logged in. Simply input your details to access your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, this is essentially the control center of your site. Here, you'll find all the options you need to manage your plugins, design, and overall site functionality. To start the email verification setup for user registration, we're going to navigate to the Plugins section. You can find this in the main menu on the left side of the dashboard. Clicking here will bring up options for managing your existing plugins and adding new ones. Now, let's go ahead and click on the Add Plugin button. This is where you can search for new plugins to extend the functionality of your site. Think of plugins as tools that add specific features or capabilities to your site without needing you to code anything from scratch. In the search bar, type Profile Builder. This plugin is a fantastic resource for managing user profiles and registrations. Once you locate Profile Builder, click on it. The plugin details will load up, showing you what it offers and how it can benefit your site management, particularly in handling user registrations. After reviewing its features, click on the Install button. The process is straightforward, and WordPress will handle the installation in just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With Profile Builder now active on your site, you can start customizing how user registrations are processed. One of its key features is email verification, which requires users to confirm their registration via an email sent to them, adding a crucial layer of security to your registration process. And there you have it. You've now set up email verification for user registrations on your WordPress site. Remember, keeping user data and site integrity secure is vital, and email verification is a robust step in that direction. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your WordPress site.